Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you the story of claudeseo.md website, a fresh website, organically ranked. In less than 3 months, the website was published on 23rd of April, currently it's 16th of June, so one more week to go, so when I have full on 3 months everyone. So this is all full on organic, no ads and nothing. So we have over 11,000 clicks and over 338,000 impressions, so the graph looks quite okay. And this right now, the bump is, I think, because of the weekend. Yep, Saturday. This is classics. So, of course, today we're going to go, after this video, straight away, again, one more rocket. So, let's say even 13K clicks, maybe in the next 2 weeks. So, everyone, today I'm going to share with you the story of claudeseo.md website, how I built this website, if really, and how it just ranked with the help of only one powerful backlink, which is GitHub. So I just, currently we have the Claude SEO skill, everyone, as you know it already, with over 9,000 stars with the help of you. So thank you so much, guys, for contributing. And anyone, of course, that haven't put the stars, just throw it in, guys, because it does help us a lot. So the story of Claude SEO, the skill itself started around 6 months ago. We started creating a skill, an audit skill for Claude SEO. And bits by bits, it grew more and more and more. The skill started helping, and I'm like, I need to have a good use case. And this use case, I was like, hey, let me use the exact same skill for a website. And like that, I'm going to use it to rank and to showcase everyone exactly how everything works, even with the current skill. And guess what? We got the exact same website, and also, of course, with the current rankings. And everyone at the same time, I'm going to share with you the PageSpeed Insights for the current websites, for mobile and also for desktop. As you can see, performance, accessibility, best practices, and SEO. Here is all green, over 90, all of them, even these ones, almost 100, only this one is 93. Even on mobile, the exact same thing, everyone. I mean, this is the most beautiful, let's say, score maybe that you've seen so far, right? Everything is optimized. We have images, we have components, we have animations, we have videos. This is the website. So if you haven't seen it, you can just straight away check it out. It's claudeseo.md website, everyone. At the same time, after this showcase, I'm going to share with you a very easy command, just one prompt on how you can install this Claude SEO skill so you can use it, or you can audit your own personal website, optimize it, make it better so it can rank as this, everyone. Yep. So as I mentioned before, this website was built in April, and even back before I made some posts. So first it was like fresh website, 1 month and 2 weeks old. This is exactly how it was 1 month and 2 weeks old, everyone. So we first started with 2,000 clicks. That time it was just just like that. It was beautiful, just ever growing, still baby steps compared to exactly how it is right now, right? And yep, it was that time, and then afterwards we share in the community with everyone. And by the way, everyone, this is in our AI Marketing Hub Pro. We also have in our AI Marketing Hub free community, so please join everyone. So this is after 2 months old. I also shared a post. Hey guys, is this okay for a 2 months old website? Full on organic, no ads, nothing. And this is the chart how it was before. We reached over 8,000 clicks that time. So this is after 2 months. So basically around maybe here. And right now, just 1 more month later, so today we have 4 more K, basically 4K more clicks. And it was beautifully, it was growing, and I'm like, wow, okay, impressive. At the same time, it's how I ranked a brand new site in 30 days. This is exactly how it was even 30 days after everyone. Still the first baby steps, because here it was basically the publishing step of the current Claude SEO website. But here, 23, 24, that's strange. So maybe it was because of the update. But check it out. It's straight away here. It's after 7 days, even when we started having the first clicks, and it was quite impressive. And even afterwards, straight away, even 3 weeks later, even after that post, it started skyrocketing. Also with the help of YouTube, with the help of backlinks, and people started appreciating the skill. They started running, they started ranking, and of course, they put that star in that GitHub. So make sure you do so also. And afterwards, just 3 months later, so this post, by the way, I made like how long? 3 days ago. Just share with the guys in the community, like, hey guys, this is it. This is right now. I mean, no ads, nothing, just the skill itself on GitHub. Then I created a website in very simple way, simple steps, everyone, just for information. I built this website in around 3 hours and 30 minutes. It took around 10 prompts, fully indexed, fully created, got a template from V0, run Claude Inside. Then I said like, hey, create a website for me, use my GitHub repository skill, Claude SEO, for reference. So it scraped that time the whole GitHub repo, which is basically this repo right now, right? Claude SEO. So I just shared this repo with Claude. and said, hey, build for me this website, and it built this beautiful website from the first try, really, even with animation, because it was from a template. And I was quite pleased. I was like, wow, fantastic. And then I run a few SEO audits. I run some, verification, just run it not only once, but maybe like around 5, 6, 7 times. Took some prompts here, maybe also continuous updates, but that one at the same time, it was quite easy because everything was already a skill set, right? But it's quite a beautiful website with full-on statistics, following best practices. And guys, this is my story. The story is so far going. Maybe I'm gonna make one more video like that, like this. Maybe in future, let's say in 1 month, exactly how it will be. I think also because of this video, and also because of maybe, let's say, a few updates, because we have a new update at the same time, because I almost forgot. We have a new update for Claude SEO. It's version 2.2. I published it just 3 days ago. So make sure you're up to date. So just prompt your Claude, hey, update Claude SEO skill for me. And also at the same time, I want to share with you a tip. Like if you never use Claude SEO and if you want to run it first time, if you want to install it, guys, you don't need to visit any GitHub or anything. You can just go to your Claude, or even in VS Code or Anti-Gravity. You can just say install this, and you can just put here claudeseo.md. Why? Because this exact claudeseo.md is the exact same website. And here it already has all the relevant information about the current skill. And then just select your OS, either being Linux, Windows, or Mac. Just install it in your Claude, and then just follow a few prompts. First, start with an SEO audit your site, fix the things which it found. Just be very careful at the same time, of course, follow best practices. And thank everyone for watching, and I wish you all a great day ahead. Have a good one. Ciao.